Hi guys, this is Steve. Just a couple little things that we're going to cover in our crazy channel here. The tech is pretty low. I don't have a production team like a lot of the YouTubers, but we're going to go through some cool ideas. Here's some bird feeders I designed with little pieces of sheet aluminum, drilling holes in ball jars. This is an old project that we're going to do. It's a stool that my grandpa built out of plywood. It's lasted for like 100 years and it works well, and we'll build that. This is a cool thing I have underneath my garage. I have a special bench that I made years ago. I moved it down here and I use it just for sharpening, and we'll go through how to make a workbench, and a simple one at that, and we'll get into some math. This is a up down sit stand workstation I made for my wife, and we'll go into that. This is shellac and how to make a stainable wood putty. This is a finish I put on the sit stand desk. This is quarter sawn white oak, finished in 5 stages with polyurethane, and that is not buffed, that's brushed, just so you know. This is a cyclone dust collector that I designed with a square base. Kind of cool idea, and I'll explain why. And this is a little play table I made for my kids years ago. And this is a dust collector for a 15-inch planer designed out of sheet metal. I'll show you how you can make your own things out of sheet metal. There's my product, Bloxygen. Not going to promote it much on this channel, but I am the Bloxygen guy. You can find that out on the internet. And it's an inert gas preservation system for leftover finishes. This is a cool acacia countertop I put in my wife's office. Again, a brushed finish. It's possible with a brush. Hey, somebody has a great set of sockets there. This is a frame I made out of the scraps from that acacia countertop. Notice how I cut a 45 on the edge, rolled the material, then re-glued it so that you don't see any end grain on this frame. It's a frame for a mirror. This is a project I'd like to get into someday, using large sheets of MDF and CNC cutters. This is a cool project. We made a Viking throne for a guy who's doing a promotion, Smiling Goat Brewery, down at the Grammys actually, and we made a Viking throne that you could disassemble and carry, lightweight, even though it looks pretty heavy duty. This is the Schluter system for tiling. We can talk a little bit about that. Just a couple of ideas and some of the things that we'll cover. Okay, thanks.